What can you really buy for just $600 to $1,000? Today, we're looking at 15 incredibly cheap classic cars and trucks, some complete, some rough, but every one of them has real project potential. Number 1. 1968 Ford Ranchero, $1,000, Salisbury, North Carolina. Located in Salisbury, North Carolina, this 1968 Ford Ranchero is listed for $1,000 and comes with a 302 V8, C4 automatic transmission, and complete power steering components. According to the seller, the drivetrain is still in place, the engine turns over, the frame rails and torque boxes are solid, and the bed remains in good condition. It's being offered after the seller no longer needed it for a Torino restoration. The Ranchero will need floor pans and rust repair around the lower quarter panels, and it does not have a title, although a bill of sale will be provided. The seller believes a bonded title can be obtained through the DMV. Overall, it's presented as either a restoration project or a valuable donor for another Ranchero, Torino, or Fairlane. Number 2. 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, $1,000. Fayette City, Pennsylvania. Priced at $1,000 in Fayette City, Pennsylvania, this 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger is equipped with a 318 V8, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, AM/FM radio, power steering, and power disc brakes. Finished in F8 green with a white vinyl top, it was reportedly purchased from its original owner and comes with a clean title. The seller says the engine turns freely and will run with fuel poured into the carburetor, while the frame and floors remain solid. Although it isn't currently road-ready, it appears to be a fairly complete Mopar project with many desirable factory options already in place. Number 3. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere, $1,000, York, South Carolina. This 1965 Plymouth Belvedere is offered for $1,000 in York, South Carolina. The seller describes it as a one-owner car that remains largely original and believes it may have a rebuilt engine, although the vehicle is no longer drivable. Rather than advertising it as a full restoration candidate, the seller recommends it primarily as a parts car. Even so, original B-body Plymouth components continue to be valuable for other restoration projects, making this an inexpensive donor vehicle. Number 4. 1953 Plymouth Savoy, $1,000, Hilliard, Ohio. Available in Hilliard, Ohio for $1,000, this 1953 Plymouth Savoy still runs and drives with its original 3-speed manual transmission. The seller has already installed new brake shoes, brake hoses, brake lines, master cylinder, head gasket, carburetor, wheels, and tires, along with several smaller repairs. Despite those updates, it remains a true project. The body has significant rust, the windshield is cracked, and the rear main seal leaks badly. The frame is said to be in decent shape, making it a realistic restoration candidate for someone willing to take on the remaining work. Number 5. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible, $1,000, Dalton, Georgia. This one-owner 1970 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible is listed for $1,000 in Dalton, Georgia. It retains its original paint, engine, and transmission, and the seller notes that the car is complete even though it is not currently running. According to the listing, the seller doesn't believe it would take much to get the Beetle running again, although no specific repairs are mentioned. It offers an affordable entry into one of the most recognizable classic cars ever built. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, $1,000, Heber Springs, Arkansas. Located in Heber Springs, Arkansas, this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle carries a $1,000 asking price. The car is mostly complete, except for the missing front seats and carpet, and it includes a title that was previously signed by the former owner. The seller is upfront about its condition. The engine is locked up, the front wheels are seized, and the body has extensive rust. While it will require significant work, it could still appeal to someone searching for an affordable Chevelle project. Number 7. 1967 Ford Thunderbird, $1,000, Peru, Indiana. For $1,000 in Peru, Indiana, this 1967 Ford Thunderbird includes a 428 V8 C6 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear axle. The sale also includes extra chrome trim, additional seats, headers, and the original hubcaps, making it a fairly complete package. The engine will run on carburetor cleaner, and the transmission goes into gear, but the frame is reported to be completely rusted, and the car comes without a title. It is best viewed as either a major restoration project or a valuable source of big block Thunderbird parts. Number 8. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $1,000, Oak Grove, Missouri. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is available in Oak Grove, Missouri for $1,000. According to the seller, the car is complete except for the missing interior, and it is being offered either as a whole project or for parts. The original engine is locked up, so buyers should expect a full mechanical rebuild or replacement. Even with those issues, complete second-generation Camaro Z28s remain popular among enthusiasts, making this a budget-friendly starting point for the right project. Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $1,000, Hartford, Kentucky. For just $1,000 in Hartford, Kentucky, this 1964 Chevrolet Impala two-door is being sold as a rolling project rather than a complete car. The seller describes the body as very solid for its age, with only a few small holes in the front floor that should be straightforward to repair. A clear Kentucky title is included. The biggest missing pieces are the engine and transmission, so this is not a running vehicle. Even so, the straight body and solid frame make it an attractive foundation for someone already collecting drivetrain components or planning a complete custom build. Cars like this often disappear quickly because clean early Impala bodies are becoming harder to find. Whether restored to stock or transformed into a street machine, the next owner will be starting with a solid shell instead of chasing major structural repairs. Overall, this is a realistic opportunity for anyone searching for a genuine 1964 Impala project at an affordable entry price, provided they're prepared to source a complete drivetrain before the restoration begins. Number 10. 1971 Ford F600, $1,000, King William, Virginia. Located in King William, Virginia, this 1971 Ford F600 is listed for only $1,000. Powered by a 330 V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed rear axle, it still runs and drives while retaining its working dump bed and a 12,000-pound winch mounted to the front bumper. The truck isn't road-ready today because the brake booster needs replacement and the exhaust still needs to be connected to the manifolds. The seller does include a replacement brake booster, which saves the next owner from tracking one down separately. Despite those repairs, the hydraulic dump bed reportedly works properly and the truck is capable of moving under its own power. Because of the brake issue, the seller recommends towing it home rather than driving it away. For buyers needing a heavy-duty farm truck, work truck, or restoration candidate, this F600 offers plenty of usable equipment at a very reasonable price, as long as the remaining mechanical work is expected.
Number 11. 1972 Ford L8000, $1,000, Lewisburg, Tennessee. This 1972 Ford L8000 in Lewisburg, Tennessee carries a price of $1,000. Originally built as a fuel truck before being converted into a water truck, it is powered by a Detroit 6V53 diesel, a well-known engine with a loyal following among heavy truck enthusiasts. According to the seller, the truck still runs well despite sitting off the road for several years. The water pump remains operational, although some of the plumbing will need replacement before the system can be fully used again. One important detail is that the truck does not include a title, although a bill of sale will be provided. Buyers should verify local registration requirements before making plans for road use. Considering the drivetrain is reportedly operational, this L8000 could appeal to collectors of vintage commercial trucks, farm owners, or anyone looking for a diesel-powered work truck project without spending much upfront. Number 12. 1973 Jeep Truck, $1,000, Anderson, South Carolina. Offered in Anderson, South Carolina for $1,000, this 1973 Jeep truck is being sold strictly as is. The seller is upfront that the truck is not running, the exact mechanical condition is unknown, and the mileage cannot be verified. The good news is that the vehicle comes with a title in hand, making ownership transfer much easier than many similarly priced project trucks. Buyers will simply need to arrange transportation, since towing is required. This appears to be more of a restoration candidate or long-term project than something ready for quick repairs. Anyone considering it should expect to inspect every major mechanical system before making restoration plans. At this price, the truck offers an affordable entry point into a classic Jeep pickup, especially for enthusiasts who enjoy bringing dormant vehicles back to life from the ground up.
Number 13. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Aero Coupe, $1,000, Marshfield, Missouri. Located in Marshfield, Missouri, this 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Aero Coupe is available for $1,000. The seller acquired it with a property purchase and knows very little about its history, making this one something of a mystery project. The car appears complete with both its engine and transmission still installed, although their condition is unknown. Most of the glass remains intact, with only the driver's window damaged, which is encouraging for a vehicle of this age. There is no title included, only a bill of sale, so prospective buyers should understand their local registration requirements before committing. As with many barn discoveries, paperwork may be the biggest challenge. For collectors searching for an affordable post-war Chevrolet coupe, this Fleetline represents a genuine restoration candidate or an excellent source of hard-to-find original parts. Number 14. 1958 Mercury Montclair, $650, Parrish, Alabama. At only $650 in Parrish, Alabama, this 1958 Mercury Montclair is one of the least expensive classics in the lineup. The seller describes it honestly as a vehicle needing a complete restoration, although the car appears largely complete. The engine turns over, but reportedly has little or no compression, so buyers should expect major engine work before it can return to the road. The front windshield is cracked, while the rear glass remains in good condition. The seller also includes detailed factory identification information, showing the car originally left the factory with a 312 V8 automatic transmission and several documented factory specifications that may interest Mercury enthusiasts. This is clearly a full restoration project rather than a quick repair, but complete 1958 Mercurys at this price have become increasingly uncommon.
Number 15. 1976 Ford F100, $600, Weltford, South Carolina. Closing out the list is this 1976 Ford F100 located in Weltford, South Carolina, offered for only $600. The truck is being sold primarily as a parts truck, although the seller is also willing to sell the entire vehicle. It includes several useful components such as the manual transmission, pedal assembly, 9-inch rear axle,
disc brakes, rear glass, and additional parts. However, the original 360 engine is locked up, the tailgate is rusty, and the truck does not include a title. The seller also notes that the rear wheels shown will not be included with the sale, so buyers should plan accordingly when arranging transportation. For someone restoring another 1973-1979 Ford pickup, this F100 could provide a valuable collection of original components for less than the cost of purchasing many of those parts individually. Which one would you rescue if it were your money? Let us know your favorite in the comments. If you enjoy affordable classic car finds like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next collection of hidden automotive projects.